In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Proton VPN on Windows. If you're using a Windows PC and you want to disable Proton VPN, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make sure the VPN is fully disconnected before closing the app. To begin, open Proton VPN on your computer. The easiest way to do this is by clicking the Start menu on your Windows taskbar. Once the Start menu opens, type Proton VPN into the search bar. When the app appears in the results, click on it to launch it. If the app is already open, you can just bring it up on your screen and continue from there. Once Proton VPN is open, look at the main screen of the application. You should see the current connection status there. If the VPN is active, there will be a button labeled Disconnect. Click that button to turn off the VPN connection. This tells the app to stop routing your internet traffic through the VPN server and return your connection to its normal state. After clicking disconnect, give it a few seconds to finish. It's important not to close the app too quickly because you want to make sure the disconnection is complete. Watch the status area in the app and wait until it clearly says not connected. That message confirms that Proton VPN is no longer active on your PC. At this point, the VPN has been turned off successfully. If your goal was only to disconnect from the VPN, you can leave the app open if you want. However, if you're done using it for now, you can also close the application. To close the app, click the X button in the top corner of the Proton VPN window, just like you would with most Windows programs. In some cases, closing the window may only minimize the app instead of fully shutting it down. If you want to fully exit Proton VPN, look for its icon in the taskbar area, usually near the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click the Proton VPN icon, then choose Exit. That will fully close the application. And that's it. Open Proton VPN, click disconnect, wait until it says not connected, and then close or exit the app if needed. Following these steps ensures the VPN is properly turned off on your Windows computer.